The Governor of the Bank of England announced last April a review of the British Deposit Guarantee Scheme. A review was already underway to expedite the compensation of depositors in case of a bankruptcy. This time, the review follows the banking turmoil of last March, which involved depositors residing in the United Kingdom through SUB's UK branch. One reform could be to raise the level of the deposit guarantee, which stands currently at £85,000 per depositor. This would ensure stable and inexpensive resources to smaller banks whose access to market financing is more difficult than for larger banks. However, this raises the issue of the reform's funding. As it stands, the fund disposes limited resources, which are calculated on an annual basis, based in particular on compensations forecasts. In the event that the total compensations paid exceed the available capital, the fund may call on additional levies on banks within a legal annual limit, or it may borrow from the private sector or the government, reimbursed ex post by additional levies on banks. This would mechanically increase the contributions from banks, which would certainly benefit to depositors' compensations, but which would also have the effect to transfer into the fund banks' own resources, which could otherwise have been used to finance the economy. More recently, the Financial Times reported that a more broader reform of the resolutions and deposit guarantee systems could be envisaged. To avoid a run on deposits and to ensure for an orderly resolution of bank failures, the fund could provide capital to insolvent banks so that they retain access to the Bank of England's emergency loan. For the time being, however, no official statement has supported this avenue of reform. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you next week for a new episode of the EcoTV Week.